What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Maths Guy. Today we are looking at how to find the cube roots of a number and basically just an introduction to what cube roots are. So let's have a look at question 1, and we can see we have this number 3, but we also have this number 27. So what we have to understand with cube root is a cube root is the inverse to a cubed. So if we have this number 3 and we cube it by putting a 3 as an exponent up here, or 3 to the power of 3, then what we're doing essentially is we're timesing this number 3 times by itself. So we would have 3 times 3 times 3, and that equals 27. So 3 cubed equals 27, and therefore the cube root, the root of how we got to this number 27 using cubed numbers, is the number 3, because 27 is the result of 3 cubed. So we could say that 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, but then 27 divided by 3, and then that number divided by 3 again would then equal 3, making them the inverse of each other. Maybe that's still a little bit confusing. Let's have a look at question 2. And we have 5 and we have 125. So exactly the same principle. If we were to get 5 and we cube it, so we would have 5 cubed, or 5 to the exponent 3, 5 to the power of 3. What that means is we're doing 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, times another 5 is 125. So 5 cubed is 125. And therefore the cubed root of 125, coming back the other way, is 5. And we show that with our cubed root, 125, and we put a little 3 here to show it's the cubed root. So the cubed root of 125 is 5. So what we're essentially asking is, what number, when multiplied by itself 3 times, will give you the number underneath the cube root sign? So if we look at these two examples here, question 3 and question 4, we have the number 8 and we have the number 64. So let's have a look at number 8 to start with. What we're asking is, what number, when multiplied 3 times, will give us the number 8? Well, in this case, the number 2. If we have 2 and we cube it, we're going to get the number 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Therefore, the cube root of 8 is 2. Moving to our last question, 64. What is the cubed root of 64? What number, when multiplied by itself 3 times, equals 64? Well, I can see that it's 4, because 4 cubed equals 64. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Because 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So the cubed root of 64 equals 4. There you go, that's a bit of an introduction to what a cubed root is and how to find a cubed root. Let's remember that a cubed root is the inverse of cubing a number. And what we're trying to do is we need to find a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, will equal the number underneath the square root symbol. So your turn, have a go at trying to find the cube root of these two numbers. So we're looking for the cube root of these two numbers. Put your answer in the comment section, I'm going to look at them all. And there you go, that is how to find the cube root of a number. Hopefully this has been useful. Thank you very much for watching, but for now, see you in another video. Peace out.